people, welcome back to another video. We have a box to open. You can't really see it, so let me just open the damn thing real quick. We have some Warrior Cats to review. We've got Leafpool and Crowfeather and One Star and Darktail. Yes, people, and they wanted me to open Leafpool and Crowfeather first. So, that's what I'm going to do. Let me just take a seat. And let's get unboxing. So this is series 5. Very pretty. Why did I say so? Let's unbox. Okay, I need scissors real quick. I'll be right back. Leafpool and Crowfeather, I love them so much. They're adorable. As you can see, I very well have the others out. My other figures out. All lined up here. My nails are a bit gone, so that's that. Let's open the box. There they are. Let's get Crowfeather out first. Oh, Crowfeather's a bit difficult. I have him. He's gorgeous. I don't know what these are, but they're adorable. He looks fab. Does he stand? Oh, he stands. And let's get Leafpool out. Oh, she's a bit difficult. Did they start making these harder to get out? A lot harder than I remember the others being. Anyway, we've got them out anyway. She has a little dent here. But she's got a few dents actually. But it's ignorable. I do love the little fur tufts in their ears. They're adorable. We have Leafpool and Crowfeather, the lovers. And now we have One Star and Darktail to get out. Okay. That was relatively easy. Also, if you look at the back, you can see who we can get. I decided to get One Star and Darktail. I do love Purdy, but One Star and Darktail, I got them for a reason. We got Darktail. These are a lot harder to get out, probably because of the fur. Darktail, look at him. He's gorgeous. His tail's nice. Well, that's a bit weird. But I'm not going to complain because he's gorgeous. He can go there by Leafpool. Probably not a good idea, but still. Okay, One Star was relatively easy to get out of the box. I love the detail of the one whisker here because his warrior name was One Whisker. He does look like you could easily confuse him with Leopard Star. But that's fine. You know, you can tell it's One Star by the one whisker here. Anyway, I love these ones. Let's put... I'm a bit sad that they don't have Brambleclaw yet. Let's put them by their family. Have your sister. Greystripe, you can go back there. Oh, Sandstorm. What a big, happy, fat Sandstorm doesn't want to stand. What a nice, happy family we've got here. If you want my opinion on them, I love them. They're gorgeous. Leafpool looks gorgeous. Crowfeather looks like Crowfeather. There's not really much I have to say about them, really. I love them. The dents on Leafpool, they'll probably be a bit annoying. But not much that I'm not that bothered. They look fine. Especially Darktail, look at him. I have not read the Darktail in the books, but I do think he's a very pretty kitty. And One Whisker, I do miss the friendship he had with Firestar. Sadly, we're probably never going to get that back. Leafpool does look like she has a. I love this, but it can look a bit weird depending on the cat. Like, it makes Crowfeather look a tad weird. Also, with Darktail having no markings, it makes him look weird. One Star, his is slightly smaller, so I'm not that bothered. I really like them. They go with I can add them to my set now. These are very pretty kitties. Anyway. First unboxing video, I know. Hope you enjoyed my unboxing video. If you want me to try anything else, I will happily do that. But yeah, bye. Hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye. On another note, I'd like to say Darktail has these really poorly cut seams. He also has a dent. Multiple dents. Actually, I think these ones are meant to be here, but this one ain't, the shiny one. That's what I have to say for Darktail. He's very pretty. The seams could be cut a little bit better. One Star, out of all of these, his seams seem to be a bit poorly cut, but not as poorly as Darktail. He does have a spot on his muzzle and a few dents. He has a spot on his neck, on his back here. It's gone now. I think it was just there. Leafpool, as I already said, she's got some dents. This Crowfeather, I think he's my highest quality one out of all of them, really. Seems to be, anyway. His seams are fine. He doesn't really have any dents. But yeah. Leafpool, Crowfeather, Darktail 1 Star. Pretty good. Okay, so I've put them all on my bookshelf. So Grey Stripes between Firestar's Quest and Grey Stripes now. We've got all of these lovely people. And you've got the graphic novel up there. And then down here, you've got the boxes. You've got Tiger Star, Ashfur, my makeshift Hawkfrost that I bought. It's not actual Hawkfrost, but it's makeshift Hawkfrost. You've got Darktail and Scourge. So I've put all the villains down here. And I've put all the protagonists up here. 1 Star, he classes as a protagonist. Because he just does, okay? I don't make the rules. He's not classed as a villain, these guys are.